Hi everybody, it's Miss Garecki here. I have a challenge today. I have these three cups that I am going to hide a button. I actually have a music pin because I didn't have a real button handy, but this is going to be our button. I'm going to take this button and I'm going to put it in the middle cup for now. Now I'm going to sing a song and I'm going to mix up the cups. See if you can figure out where the button goes. Here we go. Button, you must wander, wander, wander. Button, you must wander everywhere. Bright eyes will find you, sharp eyes will find you. Button, you must wander everywhere. I'm going to do a little bit more of mix up. Here we go. Ooh, I wonder where it could be. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Do you think cup number one, cup number two, or cup number three? Let's see. Cup number one, let's see. Not there. Cup number two, let's see. Not there. Cup number three. Ta-da! Here is the button. Did you get it right? Have a great day.